America's northeast is in the grip of a raging storm. A wall of white has put nearly 59 million people under weather warnings. It's turned one of the most densely populated corridors in the U.S. into a frozen emergency zone. From Maryland to Massachusetts, blizzard warnings are stretching across the coast. Several inches of snow have buried large swathes of the region. The mayor of New York City, Zohran Mamdani, says it's a serious situation.
We are declaring a state of emergency and instituting a travel ban starting at 9 p.m. this evening and ending at 12 p.m. tomorrow. The state of emergency closes the streets, highways, and bridges of New York City for all traffic, cars, trucks, scooters, and e-bikes, with some specific exemptions for essential and emergency movement. We are asking New Yorkers to avoid all non-essential travel. These are blizzard conditions. New York City has not faced a storm of this scale in the last decade.
Well, streets, highways and bridges have been shut to non-emergency traffic. Schools are closed and visibility has dropped so dramatically that Wall Street skyscrapers were barely visible from Brooklyn. For the first time in 9 years, New York City is under a blizzard warning, with New York's governor saying it could be an historic storm.
It's the first blizzard warning for New York City since 2017, first for Long Island since 2022, and these are just the warnings. This is a real blizzard that is going to be happening here. So I want to be clear, for our neighbors on Long Island, this could be an historic storm, and the vulnerability is great. The possibility of flooding is significant, so we're encouraging people to vacate from those areas and be prepared for a very, very dangerous situation.
Emergency rescue workers have fanned out across the city. They're moving homeless New Yorkers into shelters, and more than 100 National Guard members are on standby. At least 150,000 households across the Northeast are already without electricity. As of Monday, the number of outages in New Jersey later climbed to 80,000. Officials are warning of moderate to major coastal flooding from Delaware up to Cape Cod, threatening waterfront roads and properties. States of emergency have also been declared in Massachusetts, Connecticut, New Jersey and Rhode Island. New Jersey suspended public transport and warned it could be the state's worst storm since 1996. Connecticut suspended commercial vehicle travel on highways. Rhode Island's governor activated the National Guard and imposed a statewide travel ban. And in Pennsylvania, the governor signed a disaster declaration. The storm has paralyzed air transport as well. According to reports, more than 5,000 flights were cancelled early on Monday, with thousands more delayed. And on Sunday, roughly 5,500 flights had already been scrapped. Airports in New York and Boston reported widespread disruption. Food delivery services suspended overnight operations in New York City, and the New York Racing Association cancelled 8 races at the Aqueduct racetrack. Officials say that the heaviest snowfall will hammer the region overnight into Monday, with whiteout conditions reducing visibility to 400 meters or less. Well, as the snow piles up, communities are hunkering down as America's Northeast braces for further significant weather disruption.
Power doesn't end quietly. Some deaths are not accidents. They are messages. A gunshot. A crowd. A country frozen. The killer disappears. The questions don't. This is not just about who died. It's about what followed. Governments fell. Armies moved. History rewrote itself. 5 leaders. 5 moments. One pattern. The assassination.